It says, presented to Neural Academy for passing 100,000 subscribers. To celebrate, we made a brain cake to teach you the basics of brain anatomy. Here we see the superior surface of the brain. Gyri are the ridges, sulci are the grooves. Together they form convolutions, increasing the surface area of your noodle so you can have more neurons, the units of the brain that let you think. Here's the anterior and the posterior. The longitudinal fissure divides the brain into two cerebral hemispheres. We see 4 lobes: frontal, parietal, occipital, and temporal. The temporal lobes are more lateral and are separated from the other lobes by the lateral fissures. Here we see the central sulcus, which lies between the precentral gyrus and the postcentral gyrus. The most prominent artery we see here is the middle cerebral artery, which splits into the upper and lower division. The middle cerebral artery is one of 3 major paired arteries supplying the cerebrum, and supplies the anterior temporal lobes and insular cortices. The insular cortices are inside the lateral fissures.